Anybody that don't believe in geoengineering, here you go. We got a storm coming in. Look at that. Boom, look at all these lines. They're just spraying. That's a new one. Is it this one? Oh my gosh. Atmospheric aerosol injections right there. Look at the shadows on that. Are they making the storm stronger or weaker? That's the question. Look at how crappy that is. Boom. Those are not contrails, those are chemtrails, people. Right along the edge of the storm. That might be a contrail right there. That's a chemtrail though. Oh no, that is a chemtrail because look at it, stop spraying. See that? Stop spraying. Look at that. Look at that sight right there.